Hey guys, you know what time of year it is? We are getting the 9500 ready for wheat harvest, cleaning it up a little bit, cleaning out all the compartments, and we're power washing it here, washing it just to make sure that everything still looks good. There's no oil leaks or anything like that. We'll get it greased and everything set up for wheat. The wheat is drying down real nice, actually pretty quickly. So next job here is we are going to be flipping the tires around in the back, or the wheels around in the back, to give it a little bit more stability, widen it a little bit, so for some of the hills on the farm. So we're getting that done. But she is looking good. You can see there across the field, or across the road, the wheat fields are starting to turn. A lot of the stalks are completely dry. There is some green in it yet, but it's rather early. It's only beginning of June. Usually we're used to wheat harvest around July 4th. So we'll see where that lands, but looking like we're gonna have an early wheat harvest. So right now they are just getting the combine set up to flip the wheels. We do have a wheat header coming, or that we're gonna go pick up, that we purchased for this machine. So excited for that to show up here on the farm. So we got a 920 head to run on this. This is a 9550, but just thought I'd mention that. You can see the tires are pretty close there. So when we flip them around, it'll give us about another 6 to 8 inches, which will just give us a little bit more stability on the fields, or in the fields. So what we're going to do is we'll actually take this tire here, flip it around and put it on the other side, and we'll end up doing the same thing with the rear wheels as well. Flip them around, flip sides, rotate them, and then that'll give us just a little bit more stability for some of the hills and on the farm. I'm sorry guys, this is a 9500, not a 9550, but just a quick little story about this. Not this one, but just interesting fact. This is the same combine that the previous owner ran on here when he was farming the farm. The key used to hang right here in this shop. I'm not exactly sure where it is right now, but if you look at the trusses up here in the roof of this barn, you can see they were cut out, and he had the bin extensions, everything that we have on this one, and he cut the trusses out up there just so that the combine could fit in here. So our combine will actually fit in this barn, because they did alter the trusses. So I'll include some pictures. We had gotten some pictures of the previous operation when it was up and running in a book, so I will include some of those pictures in this video as well. But just something interesting, that we are running the same machine that they ran.
Do we have a new body? Break a bar and a pipe. A little further. Yeah, let's go. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, that's good. Down. What's going on? Just go. Up. Down.
Okay.
Oh, one more. All the way out, all the way out.
So even though this is a 9500, that only has 900 hours on it, so this is actually the first time that these wheels are ever coming off. We'll put some never season in the bolt next time, but you can see we did have to use a pry bar to get them off, some of them loose.
Yeah, too high. That's good.
Now we're time for lightweight, because these are real light.
Now we gotta turn it. Take forward, turn it out, back, turn it out. They're not that heavy at all, trust me, that far. We'll go forward.
And there you have it. One is off.
Can we go yet, Brett?
Yep.
Back now.
Back, forward, forward.
We gotta turn it out first, Justin.
So we'll get this greased up. There is a greaser under there, and power washed, and
That top one is not loose yet.
No, those ain't touched yet.
And get it on there.
so we're getting the
It has to be started.
tire back on here.
Give me another never season.
So you can see how this dish is a little bit deeper here,
Give me a back.
and you can see how there is a nice gap in between, which is
Started.
a lot larger than it was before. So
On the lip.
that's what we were
Let-
going
lower it down
for.
a little bit. Hold up, I want to lift it up then. Justin, jack it up just a little bit.
That now? Give me the big part, Brian.
Lift her up.
I think it'll go now.
It almost looks like it should be turned just a little bit. On
It's
the,
off the ground is solid.
there we go. Okay.
Wise words, always grease when you have easy access.
A lot of people forget about this bearing right here and never grease it. And then why I have to fix it.
It's hiding
Okay.
behind the
Hold the power
wheel,
washer hose back here.
and then the bearing goes out. So got that greased, and we'll get the other front
We'll
wheel
have to
on.
torque 'em all. Is that right? Yeah. All the way around. It's ready to go. All right. Keep spinning.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want that side there then, Justin.
You flip from side to side.
Yeah, you have to to flip out. And the tread go the right direction. Okay, turn. Out. Okay, we're coming. Everything look right here?
Yeah.
Right going down, yep.
Let's move that.
You got that grease on the...
Yeah, that one there, yeah.
I got this wiggle myself here.
Gotta keep rocking.
Yep. Roll it out here a little bit. Yep.
We're in.
Hooey. Okay, we're really high on this side, I guess, Gus.
Let's get going.
Oh,
One more time. Oh,
let's lower the... We gotta lower the tire down. The combine.
not much.
Quite a bit.
3/4 of an inch.
Just real slow. Keep coming. A little bit. All right, little bit, little bit. We're gonna get that top bolt in. Little bit, little bit. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Whoa.
Right there. Put a bolt in.
That's it. Go ahead a little bit. There. I get 2 in there. Then there
Yep, and then we'll jack it back up again.
I think you get that on there to the right.
I'll get my jack
I'm
ready.
glad when this job's done.
Yeah.
I don't think we're getting one.
Yeah, I'll get it. Actually, if he jacks it up just a little bit.
Jack it up a little
Jack
bit.
it up a crack. This is in really good.
Yeah, you want that.
Just jack it up a little bit.
Tell me low.
A little more. Once you get 2 in, then we'll jack it right up and then it'll fall.
Yeah. Should go there.
Is that good?
Not yet. It's just not.
Go off a little bit. Which way does it have to go?
I'm gonna have to lift up.
That works.
I gotta turn the tire down. Rotate here on this side. Okay, there we go. Come on this side, get this one.
Okay, I got that one. Okay, Hatton's in good. One more.
So we got 2 of the bolts in. Now we'll jack it up, and the rest of them should line up here.
You can work that bar, you can pop it on that collar then.